Welcome to part 79 of Laravel 11 series, in which we're getting the e-commerce website with Laravel and MongoDB. So we will continue working on the shopping cart, and there are few of the conditions that we are going to add in this part, okay, while updating the cart. So let's start. And in the previous part we have seen that we able to add few of the cart, and we able to update the quantity without the refresh of the page, and the subtotal as well as the grand total is updating according to the update of the quantities. And now we need to check that whether the stock is actually available or not. See, the user can't able to update the quantity if there is no stock available, and also we are going to check whether the size is available or not. Okay, so these few conditions we are going to add. So first of all, I'm going to check in the admin panel that how many attributes are available. Okay, so I'm going to open the admin panel here. We'll go to the products module. Here I'm going to the products module here, and we'll open the blue t-shirt. Going to check here, and here you can see we have added three stocks so far, and sorry, three attributes so far, with 10, 20 and 20 stock. Okay, so see here I have modified the small to the 3 size. What I'm going to do, I will make it 4, I will make it 5, I will make it 5, and going to update this one. We'll submit, and we'll check once again the stock has been updated. Yes, updated. So what I'm going to do, see, first I'm going to add the check, like I can even able to update the 4. Here you can see I able to update the 4, and now the maximum stock is 4 only, and now still I can able to update the 5. And yeah, here you can see the price is also updated, but this is wrong. When the user will try to update to 5, it must show the error that the stock is not available. Okay, so we are going to reduce this time 3, and I'm going to add the condition, so you can follow the instructions under video. And the first thing is that we are going to update the update card item quantity, and that I'm going to find under product controller, that we have also done in the last part. We able to add this function update card item quantity, but here we are directly updating the quantity without checking that whether the stock is available or not. But here we need to add, first we will get the card details, and after that we are going to check the available stock. So let's one by one add. Like first we are going to check, going to get the card details here. Okay, so after getting the card details, here we will check get available product stock. So we are going to check the available product stock here. Available stock, products attribute, select stock, and see, we are going to check, going to get the available stock, like the user wants to update the stock of this particular product. We are going to check with the product id as well as the size. So see, these two things we are already sending via Ajax. Okay, so we will get these two things here, product id as well as the size. Okay, on the basis of that we will get the available stock. So after getting the available stock, we are going to check, like if desired stock is available or not. Okay, so this is the code that we are going to add after this one, to check whether the available stock is there or not. Okay, so we are going to add this one. See, check if desired stock from user is available. So we are going to check the demanded quantity of the user with the available stock. If the demanded quantity is greater than the available stock, then we are going to show the error message like product stock is not available. Okay, so we are going to return the error message in this case. And we are also going to modify the custom.js file where we are showing the error message if in case the error message comes. So we are also going to update here the error, the okay, once again we are going to modify this success as well as the error message here. Okay, I am going to modify it like this, and now I'm going to check it. Okay, I'm going to check it now, like if I will update the stock of this product, so it will update up till 4. Yes, it's fine, it updated. And now if I will try to update to 5, it must show error. Let's see. Yes, it is showing error, product stock is not available, so it's working fine. Okay, so we are showing the error, like product stock is not available. If I will try to update it once again, and the same thing will happen here as well, like if I will update the stock to 2, it will update 3, 4, and here the maximum stock is 5, it will update up till 5. here 5, it keeps on increasing, grand total keeps on increasing. But if the user will try to update further, then it will show the error message, product stock is not available. Okay, so it's working fine. So the second condition that we want to add, that is the product size is available or not. So right now all the three product sizes are available. So suppose in case the admin disables one of the size, like admin disables the large size, so in that case if the user will try to update the stock, it will directly show that the site is not available. Though see, right now we only have the card page, but whenever we will build the checkout page, here when the user will try to proceed to checkout, he will not able to proceed to checkout, because he need to uh, uh, remove that particular product that does not that is not available now. Okay, so that thing we will do later, but right now we will just intimate the message to the user that his product is no longer available. Okay, so for that we are going to add this condition. So this condition we are going to add in our script. After this, after checking the stock, we are going to check the size as well. Okay, check if product size is available. Okay, so here we are going to check whether the product size is available. Product size is no, if product size is not available, then see if the available size is 0. We are going to check it in products attribute collection. Here we have checked, yeah, in both cases we have checked in product attribute collection. Here we are checking the stock from the product attribute, and here we are checking the its status. Okay, so if its status is inactive, if its status is 0, then it means that available site is 0. Okay, so we are going to send the status as false, and we'll send this message as well, and we'll reload the card items blade file. Okay, and we'll show that error message. So let's see, let's try to update this one that we have now disabled. Now there is no site available for this one, this large size is not available. Let's click on plus, and you can able to see the product size is not available, please remove this product and choose another one. Okay, so it directly telling the user that the product size is not available, please remove this product to continue. Okay, so the same error message we are going to show here as well, proceed to checkout. Whenever we will work on this one, then same message, then we are going to check all the products once again, and will show the same message once once we will click on proceed to checkout. Okay, so I hope that you can able to add these conditions at your end, and we will continue working on this shopping cart, and we'll work on delete card item via Ajax in the next part. So please stay tuned for that, and also please join and subscribe the channel youtube.com stack developers for such videos, for new things, for new updates, for new techniques, for new technology, because see, technology is going to update from time to time, and we will bring up new videos, new series every time according to the updated time, because if you will not update yourself, then you will face lot of issues. So so always subscribe channel, and click on the bell icon to get the intimation of new videos, so that you can able to get the new videos whenever we will add. Okay, so that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.